Hello, happy Monday. This is Stephanie Zito, Intuitive Soul Purpose Coach, and I am doing a Monday morning card pull. This is your Manifesting Monday 3-card pull, and I am using my Activate the Chakras card deck. Now, the beauty of this deck is that you can just kind of bring these to your mind. You can also journal about these, which can be really helpful to tap into your inner sense of self, your soul purpose, your guides to help guide you through the week. So what I've been doing, and you can do this with your card decks occasionally, it's really helpful to kind of cleanse the energy of the card deck, is to reorder them. So I'm not fully reordering them chakra by chakra, but what I am doing is categorizing them into their asks, their affirmations, and their actions. So what I'm going to pull for you today is an ask, an affirmation, and an action. And they're going to relate to any of the chakras. So we'll see what comes up, and we'll see what sort of information is here for us as individuals and as the collective. Now, like as I was saying, you can definitely just take these, write them down, journal on them. It can be really helpful just to really write your own notes. And you stay tuned, because I'm going to have a journal available soon that goes along with the deck and allows you to use that journal to write your notes and to kind of channel write, to just really get some guidance as we pull these cards. Okay, so this is for you on this beautiful Monday. This is August 30th. So we're moving into fall, we're moving into September. And I'm going to pull our ask for us. So this ask is for the throat chakra. So interesting, as I chose to do this today, and I just got off of a book writing retreat. So let's see how this is available to you too. This is an ask. It says, where am I called to speak my truth today? This is an ask. Where am I called to speak my truth today? So I invite you to take a moment to envision that in your mind and to even write it down, because writing is spelling. Writing is very powerful. What I am really feeling here is that there is something that is inside of you that maybe you hold back on, that you want to say, or that you think of, or that you want to bring into the world. But there's a hesitation because of what someone else will say, of what someone else will think, of how you might be judged. So it's going to be really important to do that today, whether it is with a coworker, with a boss, with your children, with a loved one, with your spouse, with your significant other. There's going to be a sense of speaking your truth today. And I thank you. I thank you in advance for doing that, because it serves you and it serves the world, and it clears your energy. We don't want to get any stuck energy in the throat chakra. When that happens, that's where we get these illnesses in the throat. We get sore throats, we lose our voice, we feel that tightness in the jaw, maybe we're grinding our teeth at night because we're holding that. So we don't want to hold it. We want to clear it. A really nice way to clear the throat chakra is even by humming, by singing. You can sing in the car. If you vacuum, you can sing while you're vacuuming. You can even if it's just sounds or humming, it's really going to help that vibration to clear. Okay. The next is going to be the action. So the next is going to be an action. And if you're not sure about these chakras and what they are, I have a guide that is part of this deck. And this card wanted to jump out at us. So we're going to do our action next. And the action is to speak. Oh my gosh, this also is this all about speaking our truth this week, okay? So this is an action. Choose an intention. Speak it out loud today. Give voice to your dreams. You see that? Choose an intention, speak it out loud, give voice to your dreams. It's a beautiful thing to do on your Monday. What is your intention? What is your intention this week, going into the new month, the next 3 months? As we head towards fall and into winter and the holiday season, what is your big idea? Without holding back, right? No holding back. What is your intention? And you can even bring that into the day-to-day. What is your intention today? What is your intention at lunchtime? How do you want to eat your lunch? Do you want to eat nourishing, fulfilling lunch? What is your intention around hydration? You know, I have this water bottle here and it's empty. So my intention today is to be very hydrated, because it helps with the channel when we are being in our intuition, when we're in our intuitive state. It helps with that. Okay. And the last one is the affirmation. So this is the gold. This is what you can repeat. If you don't have these cards, you can write this down and you can put it on your computer. You can put it on your phone. It is what is going to guide you when you feel like you're straying off course from your soul center. So this is a beautiful one. When we're speaking our truth, we need to know that we are safe. So this one is, I trust that I am supported. I trust that I am supported. I just posted a picture when I was up in LA. They had one of those murals with the angel wings. And I just wrote this post about being supported. So maybe I will, I'll link it so you can see that too. Just that we are always supported. We have a team. We have a soul team. Those times when you feel alone, it's because it's our ego getting in the way and we're forgetting how connected we are. We have support. We just have to ask. We just have to ask. We have to speak our truth out loud so it can be heard, so it can be absorbed by the universe, so it can be reverberated back to us. The clearer we are, the better the universe can answer the request. It's like I say, when you're going to a drive-thru, you don't just say, well, I think I want some food. Maybe I'll have something with meat in it. You might get anything, right? You might get chicken, you might get a burger. But what do you really want? Get specific. That's what we do when we speak our truth. Get specific with your requests, with your declarations, what you're saying to others. What are you standing for when you speak? And then trust. The way it works, we feel safe and then we feel okay to speak our truth. We got to feel safe. We can trust that we are supported. When you're speaking your truth, you cannot go wrong, and you are not responsible for the response of others. Remember that. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. I'd love to hear your comments or question how it goes, and I will see you next Monday. Bye-bye.